What happened? Where are you going? Are you cooking?
In our boat. In our boat. In our boat.
Oh nga, good night na. Say good night, little dollies.
In our boat.
Dilana, say good night.
Mama, chicken.
Ken riding. Oo, my Ken.
Dad.
BC.
Mom, it all water. More water.
Oh, it's more water? Oh,
A lot of water.
lots of water? Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Oh, lots of water.
Dad. Wait. Dad.
Oh, the Hello Kitty. Oh, be careful. Si Hello Kitty din papansin.
Dad, I need more body.
You need more Barbie? More Barbie?
Yeah.
How come? You got lots of Barbie already.
I did one more.
Andun
Wait.
si-
Take it.
Okay. You need more Barbie? Okay. More Barbie pa daw, Diyos. Yan guys. Busy siya. Siya lang mag-isa maglaro dyan. Ayan. Wala man siyang kalaro, oy. Oh, you found another Barbie?
Dad,
Oh.
how to pee?
Okay,
How to
go.
pee? Yeah, okay.
May bag. Sino to? Uy, Taray ah. Hi. Hello. O ba? I'm the new kid on the block. Kumusta kayo? Gusto niyo ba ang aking buhok? Feel ko nga. Bayad na kayo ng utang, guys. Hello. Ito si Ken. Singilin natin si Ken. Ito yung mga friends ko, mga socialera. Tulog sila. Ayan. So, dito lang ako. Wala pang amo ko, guys. Naiihi daw. Umihi pa. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Here you go. Ayan na siya. You got lots of toys, Dilana. Why, what happened? You okay?
Everybody, okay.
More Barbie pa daw ni. Bakit ang dami na niyang Barbie?
Do you want to done?
Okay.
Yeah, my body.
Oh, you had those.
Do it on yours. More body.
Tingnan ko. Ilan yung Barbie mo?
Can you count your Barbie, anak?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 10.
Dami. Ano yan? Baby niya?
Yeah.
Ano ko? Ang ganda pala, no? May baby.
Oh, maganda pala yung nabili, oo.
Hindi namin alam na gano'n eh.
Maganda pala.
Basta nilangkot na lang.
Naka-sale ba?
Pretty, that in my
Hindi.
Okay, so we're in there. I'm gonna be in it. So we're at this. Oh, we're at this. I'm pretty us. Do you put yeah? They are in my foot. How about that? Is it okay? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof. This one, but I done that.
All done now?
No, I need more Barbie. Oh, I already.
No, we don't need more Barbie. We got so much Barbie already.